Joining me now is Justin Redgard. Justin, this was your first game today for Team Canada. How did it feel?
It was great, actually. It's my third game ever playing rugby league. I just moved over from Union and I don't know, had a blast. More physical game, right up my alley.
And you're one of our guys that came down from Ottawa for the game today.
Yeah, I'm from Ottawa. We got a couple Ottawa boys on the team, so we drove up and gave her. Must
have felt pretty special to score on your debut as well.
Yeah, that always makes the game a little bit funner, but you know, it's not my first try, so hopefully there's more to come.
How did it feel out there? Was it as tough as it looked?
Yeah, it was as tough as it looked. Physical game, so I'm probably going to have to ice it up and worry about that tomorrow.
And so now looking forward, we've got the game with Jamaica ahead. You're going to be pushing for a place on that squad, obviously.
Yeah, I'm pushing for a starting spot, and we'll see what the coaches say, and I'll be ready to go if they call.
And have you seen much of the Jamaicans? Did you get a chance to see them?
I haven't seen any of the Jamaicans yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out and play it by ear.
Well, we're looking forward to that game. We can't wait to get you involved more in this wonderful game of rugby league. And congratulations again on your performance today.
Thanks a lot.